Okay, so this is how to set up spreadsheet sharing by tab. So I've got a simple master spreadsheet here. This has all of my data, and I could have multiple tabs across the bottom. Actually, you know what? I'm going to do that real quick. So I'm going to copy that. Let's make a new tab. It'll be sheet 2, and we paste it there. So the use would be, right, you've got some kind of master thing, and you want only certain people to see only certain information. So you can't share sheet 2 with specific people, you can't share sheet 1 with specific people, but we can use some formulas to do the same thing. I've got a master spreadsheet here, and I've got 2 children spreadsheets that are shared with individuals. So I've got Elkhart Professional Development shared on this one, and Elkhart Instructional Technology shared on this one. They cannot see each other's. So in my master sheet, right, this is got that data. I'm going to go into my child spreadsheet, and I'm going to use equals import range, and that is a formula that allows you to pull information from one spreadsheet to another. To do that, I need the link, the URL, so I'm going to copy this, Command C, so open parentheses, and then in some quotes, paste our link in, and then a comma, and then you give it the range you want. So for child 1, I want sheet 1. Oh, I lied. That's instructional text. I'm going to grab sheet 2, right? That range. So that's A1 through B3. So sheet 2, exclamation point, A1, colon, B3. Close your parentheses and hit enter. And it will try and load that data. It says we need to connect the sheets, so we allow access. And boom, there's the data. It comes into my sheet here. Now, if I change my budget on the master, we'll see. So we'll change to like $1,000 on that spreadsheet. Boom, $1,000. So same thing for child 2. I'm going to use equals import range, parentheses, double quotes, paste the link of the master, comma, and the range you want. So this one is sheet 1, A1, colon, B. Oops, sheet 1, A1, colon, B3. Enter. Same thing, it's going to ask you, gives you that ref, you just need to give it access. Those sheets can share, and there's my budget. I can format this, do whatever, so you can see instructional text budget is $1 gajillion. But if I change that to something more realistic, like a dillion, I don't even know if that's a word, I don't think it's a thing, but my spreadsheet updates, there we go, and instructional tech can go off and do their thing. So I would recommend managing these children's spreadsheets inside of a folder, giving them access to specific people. You guys update this master. Now, also remember that the range you give is important. So if I limit it to B3 and I put data in row 4, so if I put like leader information here and my name, this child spreadsheet is not going to update because it's outside my range. So it can be helpful to just specify columns or rows of information. So I'm going to say I want all of column A, just get rid of the number, and all of column B, get rid of the number, and it will update that information. And so you can make that A through F or A through Z or A through double D, whatever you want, and it will always update. So that's how you share individual sheets of data with people in the district. Let me know if you need more help.